Guys, we back with another video. So last video, um, it was a crazy ending. I don't want to spoil it, but it was a crazy ending. But let's get straight into this video. We did beat the Bears last time. We went against them. So let's see if we could do it again. Let me pitch y'all on game. Hold up. They ran to a line. Um, Alright, let's get into this game. Try to beat them again.
Today, from London, England, it's the NFL International Series.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Let's go. We get ball first today. Again.
Closer toward the midway point of this NFL season, and we're underway on EA Sports.
Travis is back. Thank you.
Couple yards deep, he'll bring it out of the end zone. And This return will net positive as he gets past the 25 and up to the 27-yard line. So out comes his
See, Jalen Mills was doing.
for the first time. And they will be let out by their rookie.
Alright, bro. That's way better. Way.
MVP type season, leading the league in both passing yards and touchdown passes. There have not been too many defenses have been able to stop him or even slow him down. So he's got a sight set on another big game right here.
Dang it.
Throwing to start the drive, but that one incomplete. 2nd and 10. Looking to throw. And
Oh my.
nearly an interception here on this opening drive, but he gets a reprieve.
If they press, then that's what I thought.
Right where this set of downs started, they need a full 10 here to pick up the first down and move the chains.
I'm gonna pick that 10 up. Oh, if you just stayed in bounds.
34 out of bounds there. Pretty solid gain of 7
We could get that.
time as he scrambled, but now they face a 4th down. They're indeed going for it as they look to throw.
First down.
To the sideline and pulled in. And he goes out right around the 39. So from the 39 now, they'll come up on a 1st and 10.
Did not mean to throw that
To throw.
at all.
This one almost intercepted. Not a good throw there. Nearly an opening drive INT. He'll try again with the arm here on 2nd down.
Dang it. Oh my gosh, George. Pickens. Pickens is him.
So the big play gets him all the way down to the outskirts of the red zone here for 1st and 10. First carry of the game for Christian McCaffrey. And they'll get him down after a pickup of 8. 2nd and 2.
Christian. 8 yards off the spawn. I mean, spawn is crazy. I know he's feeling nice.
Again, they run. Again, it's McCaffrey. And he'll go down here at the 12-yard line. They'll get 3 as the drive continues. It's a 1st down.
Like I said, slant always works.
And that's good for a pickup of 10 yards. And they'll be left with a 2nd and about a 4th.
No, no.
They're going to get to him. A sack. Sack back at the 9-yard line. The corner
Dang.
blitz gets there as he goes down for a loss of 7. It's been a pretty long opening drive. This will be play number 11.
Slant always works. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Always works, bro.
George Pickens.
Always.
His 6th touchdown of the season. And the Monarchs get the upper hand as they're on the board first here this afternoon. Point after, right down the middle. And it's now a 7-0 game. A pretty long drive that time. 11 plays all told. And it was finished off by a George Pickens touchdown grab.
Got a freaking D lineman running down the field.
Solid return, pretty good field position. They'll start at the 32. So here now the Bears offense for their first drive of the game. And at quarterback from the University of Oregon, it's Justin Herbert.
And you've got to think that they
I mean, it's all right. Like,
coming off of the open week, didn't have to play, right? Gives them a chance to rest up a little bit, heal some of those aches and pains, and excited about playing again. That really rekindles things a little bit. I want to see how they come out and establish themselves here early.
And that bye week coming right where they want it in the middle of the schedule. They'll start the drive with Harris, and he'll power his way forward for about 4 yards there on the first down carry. They'll work from the 36 on 2nd and 6. A run with Harris out of the shotgun.
dang
And
it.
he'll get up near the 45. They'll spot it at the 44. That one a first down pickup of 8. Justin Herbert looking to pass.
Oh my, that was my zone too. I was gonna blow him up.
For a pickup of 9 to the 46. From the 46, here's 2nd down at a yard. They hand this off to Harris. And this time he's able to take it down to the 42. 4 yards the pickup, first down. Back to throw here, Herbert. That is hauled in by Michael Thomas.
Mr. Schlantman.
In the red zone before he crosses over out of bounds. So here's a 1st and 10 now, down inside the 20. In motion.
It's not cooked, like he's almost.
Now they fake the Jets
Fumble!
and a run instead with Harris.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that ball gets knocked free, but a teammate comes along and scoops it up. It's almost like baseball. Guys at bat, people are on base and scoring position.
No way, bro. Like every time it's a jump ball, they get it. I swear to gosh.
So it's 3rd and 6, and this will be the 8th play of the drive. Herbert now.
Every time. One's always open, bro.
They're going to have 1st and goal as they try to finish off this drive with 6 points.
Every single freaking time.
They'll try and run with Harris, and he will push his way forward down to about the 3-yard line. Only a yard that time, 2nd and goal. And they'll turn to the power game to try to get in.
Like every time.
Working toward that end zone as he's down to about the 2-yard line. 3rd and goal from the 2, and they're going with a jumbo set offensively. And again, they'll go right back to their fullback.
Every time. Somebody's always open.
Chicago. His 2nd rushing touchdown on the year and 3rd overall. And the Bears
Got that. Sneak. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Moody good with the extra point.
I swear, bro. How is that not a block?
So that one a long 11-play drive. And it's
How is that not a block, bro? Madden, how?
Each team has scored 7-7 here as the kick's away. And he'll elect not to run with it. And a fair catch on the kickoff will move the ball to the 25. The offense back out there at the line, ready for their next drive.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Teams, Charles, coming off touchdowns.
Yeah.
But this offense, they just had to stand on the sideline, watch their opponent author a really impressive drive to reach the end zone.
Yeah, and I think you're not telling yourself the truth if you don't think
Yeah,
there's some
Schneed it.
going on right now, because they just have
Schneed
to
it.
answer by a drive of double-digit.
Sneed it.
Brandon Ayuk, 69 yards, and his guys have taken the lead. Extra point right down the middle, and that makes the score 14-7. That drive started on their own 25, 2 plays, 75 yards later, into the end zone.
Nice tackle.
Start this drive in pretty good shape as they get it up past the 30. At the line, prepping for their next drive, the Bears offense.
Travis Hunter's defense.
The open week from last weekend.
Oh, there's no doubt about that. Even if
Taking it right down Broadway.
Nobody. Like y'all actually suck, bro. Actually, like
So on the other side,
can't do anything about it either.
it's 1st and 10 as they've got things rolling on this drive. Play action this time for Justin Herbert.
Always open. Swear.
He's gonna get this inside the 30. Back-to-back good plays have them on the move on 1st down. They'll try the right side with Harris. And just good downhill running there as he'll take this to the 15-yard line. 11 more on that one and another 1st down. Now it's Herbert. He'll find Najee Harris.
Hit it. Oh my.
Najee Harris, a 15-yard
Bro.
grab. And the
I actually suck, bro.
point away from drawing level. Moody good with the extra point, and we are tied at 14. So that drive, 4 plays, and it was finished off by a Najee Harris touchdown. This one tied at 14 now as he sends this one away. But no run back here. Fair catch, and this will come out to the 25. The offense offense now at the line, ready for their next drive. We have seen a lot of points here in this quarter. For
Beans
us
up.
here, a leap, and he will make the catch. So how about that for a chain mover? They're all the way down inside the 40 now for 1st and 10. They'll look to throw here. Finding Pickens for another catch.
Oh, nice. Pickens. Nice.
Inside the 20 before he's brought down. Another 1st down as he went right back to the same well, this time for 17 yards. On 1st down, this is McCaffrey. And he'll get this one down to about the 17. Another run with McCaffrey on 2nd down. And he's going to be brought down on what will be the final play of this 1st quarter. Pretty entertaining start. 14-all the score on EA Sports.
Beans up. Oh.
To the end zone, but it's incomplete.
Yeah, I was so lucky.
2 of their 3 red zone trips so far, they've come up empty on. They'll look to reverse that trend on 2nd and goal.
So close.
He's going to press this one forward as they stop him right around the 1. They've gotten it to the 1. Can they
Ayuk,
get that
I might
final
have
yard
Ayuk.
here on 3rd and goal? They'll roll him out right.
Let me stop trolling.
Take it into the end zone for a touchdown. Punching it in from a yard away. And his guys are going to take the lead. Extra point splits the uprights. And the lead is now 21-14. So that winds up a 7-play drive all told. And it ends with a 1-yard touchdown run. And no thought to bring this one out. He'll just go down to a knee, and they'll take over at the 25. The Bears offense ready to go for their next drive. And right now, we've got a little bit of an offensive masterpiece going on. Both sides moving the football.
Come on.
scoring
Oh, shit.
points. It's almost like somebody put the defense on rookie mode in this one. I mean, we haven't even left the 1st half, Charles, and we're certainly on pace
Ricky
for a
mode is
shootout.
crazy.
Excellent start for both offenses. The fans have to be enjoying this to seeing all these points go up on the board. As a former defender, you know I'm not enjoying this at all. But right now, both these teams just trading haymakers. Let's see if anyone slips up first. Can anyone counter with a nice little jab and get things going in their direction?
Here's Herbert. This pass complete to Higgins. And just 3 yards on the catch there. He couldn't get away. And it makes it 3rd down and 2 yards to go. Now Herbert with it, looking to pass. Work in the middle.
He's wide. He's just wide. He's wide.
Now he's going to get this all the way down inside the 35. So on the other side of the field now, it's 1st and 10 as they've got things rolling on this drive. Meanwhile, Herbert's throw pulled in by
Oh, my.
here.
No 1st down.
Pretty little juke move there on a nice gain. So not quite a 1st down just yet as they come up on 2nd and less than a yard. Harris running straight ahead. And he'll be a couple yards shy of the red zone here at the 22-yard line. Herbert on 1st down now. Out of his hands quickly to Higgins. And they've got it inside the 10 at the 8. It looks like a jumbo set with 3 tight ends here for 1st and goal. Herbert.
He sucks. Oh, my.
But it's incomplete. Nothing on 1st down, so the ball
He
remains at
literally
the
drew up
8-yard
some.
line, 2nd and goal. Here's Herbert.
Let's go. Good D.
One thrown away from the pocket. The officials kind of looking at each other, but they'll say there was a receiver in the area, so no penalty, just an incomplete pass. And he's left with no option here but
Yeah.
to throw it away.
Field goal it.
Well, it's been a tough go.
Yes,
for
sir.
them. Been driving down the field, but defensively, once they got their backs to the goal line, turned up the pressure, that's going to lead to a 4th down. Well played.
And his kick is good. And that'll bring him back within 4. So they're able to end that drive with 3 points in this one-possession ball game.
And ideally, you want to end every drive with points. Most quarterbacks would tell you, let's end it with a kick.
Bam.
A PAT, that's number one. Field goal you'll take. Punts, you really don't want to do that. In this case, they'll take the field goal and get prepared for the rest of the game.
The offense back out there at the line, ready for their next drive. Right now, everything they touch turns to gold. This is their 4th possession.
No, why am I hurt? Oh,
3 possessions.
press the wrong button.
Defense, they can't seem to stop them. It's like they're on skates.
Great analogy, Brandon, because they are pushing them back and winning everything at the line of scrimmage.
Bean top.
Fight for it, and this is caught. What a catch. So the big play gets them all the way down to the outskirts of the red zone here for 1st and 10. Now back to throw.
He's Mr. Bean Top. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't need that.
To put it mildly, he's been able to dice up this secondary all game long, and this time that was a missile.
Bean Top. I don't need any of these pads.
And I think we see these youngsters develop a lot quicker than we ever have, because when they get started in this game, they're not just throwing passes around.
He could be from the side.
So now they're like seasoned pros earlier in their career. How about this one here? If they win this ball game, a game ball, definitely coming from his head coach.
Fumble! Right. Rashawn Wright. I don't even know. Rashawn something.
So from the 17 now, here's a 1st and 10. They'll come out throwing.
Bean top. Brrr, yep. Good.
Battle for the football. It's caught. It's a touchdown. Brandon Ayuk. 2 catches, 2 touchdowns here so far.
Hold up.
And she likes me. And then, she says, yeah, sister was 12. She said, I can hook you up. I said, I'm into, this is all happening yesterday. I said, I'm into someone. And then she said, okay, because I can hook you up. And I said, okay. But then I was going to hook her up with you instead of hooking her up with me. Okay, they got a cousin that's slow. I got her number, but she might not be happy. That's been an Android.
What happened?
Yeah, just make a group. Just make a group. She has an Android. You can still make a group.
Yeah, you can still make a group.
So not only did they get the win, but
It's just the text message will be green.
Yeah.
And partner, I have no idea what the top speed is on one of those high-end sports cars. What's the top gear you can get into? This offense.
I'm coming in 2 hours.
There in this one, huh?
What time is it?
Looking for them in this contest.
Oh, so you're coming at 4?
That they're gonna
Or 5.
Hey, run for your line. Hey. Sit down. Y'all, let me hear you say OV ho.
OV, bro.
Say OV ho.
OV,
It's
bro.
kind of 1 hour because it's 2:40.
My mom gets up at 4:30.
4:30. How far is your house from work?
I don't know. What are you in Buford, right? So like 20 minutes.
Wait, ask your mom when she gets home. Does she know
That's-
Does she know our new address?
Yeah, your mom. My mom texted her, so yeah.
All right. I told Destiny you're gonna be weird.
What?
I'm gonna make a group chat with all boys. Hold up.
Bet. Bruh. I can't even see. Yo, what is wrong with my FaceTime? Well, let me pitch you on game. Alright. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Cash you age.